I can't even explain what this month has done to me. I know it's been a while, but bro, I barely had. Literally, I should have been uploading, obviously, even if I had no trades, but bro, I barely had anything, bro. It had me thinking, should I go to NAS 100? Do you know what I'm saying? That's how it had me feeling. Cool. I'm gonna, long story short, those 3 funded challenges I had, they're all gone. The 3 funded challenges I had, I failed all of them. Simple as that. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I was going to Big Church Day Out. I was in the car, bro. I max allotted on like 2. I lost my head, bro. I max allotted on 2 of them and put no stop loss, bro. And it boomed up. It was this day right here. This Friday, I max allotted and markets boomed up at the most random time. Yeah, it was like 3 p.m. I remember it specifically. But yeah, those are gone. I've got another challenge now, and I'm gonna show you the history on it right now. I'm gonna show you the history on it. Cool. Let's just go to my MT5. I have it ready. I'm down 1.45%, but because of commission and everything, it's just over 2% that I'm down. Calm. As you can see, I've had small wins and also small losses, which have added up. And this is purely because I be getting in trades, and as I get in these trades, the market just switches and it breaks through my 1 hourly zone. And I'm like, yo, there's no point saying it because I can see it's about to hit stop loss. And with experience, you can see when it's about to hit stop loss. This is why I can take them out prematurely. You can see I've got these small losses. The trade I'm going to go through is the trade that happened today, and I'm going to show you what's been happening this whole month. I'm literally going to show you this whole month what's been happening. I'm also going to go through, when you see on my Euro chart here, I'm going to go through and I'm going to have a video showing all the trades which I mostly did. If I traded strat throughout the whole month, exactly what I say I'm going to trade and only take strat trades, how I would have ended out the month. So that's going to be the next YouTube video. As you can see, I've got them all here and all the trades I would have taken. Now, today, what happened today and why did I take the trade I took, why did I come out, etc, etc, what happened? Same thing as always. 1 hour zone. We're starting off 1 hour zone. And why am I taking a sell zone? Because this 1 hour zone we had just before it, if I delete this, if I delete all of this quickly, this 1 hour zone we had just before it got disrespected. Don't mind my boxes purple, I did them because I wanted to differentiate. Not this one. Where's the 1 hour zone I got disrespected? Bruh. Oh. Why was I selling today? I shouldn't even have been selling. That is crazy, lads. That is so crazy. I'm so silly. I should have been buying. Well, I should have been waiting for this zone. Yeah, can't I forget me? I'm going to still show you why. For some odd reason, I thought a 1 hourly zone had been broken through. I just saw lightning, by the way. I thought a 1 hourly zone had just been walking. Uh-oh. Let me hurry up with this video. So cool. I thought 1 hourly zone had been walking through, so I drew out this sell one right here to enter from midpoint. I'm feeling so silly because I shouldn't have even have done that, but anyhow, we come up to midpoint today. I'm going to put on my Asian range and show that we took Asia high. You can see we wicked Asia high and we also wicked midpoint. So me seeing that, that's a lot of confidence, and for some reason I thought a 1 hourly zone had been broken through to the upside so we could sell in. I don't know why I thought that. I don't know what I was seeing. Maybe my head's all in scrams, but cool. Everything was lined up, so I had 1 hour zone, Asian high taken, and there was also a 15-minute zone as well that I literally just wicked the midpoint of. This is the zone right here. Again, don't mind the purple, it's getting a bit much now. But literally came and it literally wicked midpoint right there. So I'm like, cool. And then, yeah, boom. So I'm now waiting for a 5-minute change of character or institutional candle. And what I've just realized, I'm on the wrong market. But anywho, we can see we had it here. This is going to be another example for you, man. We had it here. Boom. I drew out this zone from here to here, waited for it to break. And cool. It took its time when it broke it around here, and then it kept going down. So I'm just waiting for another zone. Now, purely because I've got a sell bias on EU, and it wasn't giving me no setup. I went to GU to look for a setup. Yes, I did do that. Even though, if I check on GU 1 hourly as well, okay, GU was actually sells for me purely because we had just broken through this hourly. Did we break through that? Yeah, we broke through it here at like 9 a.m. today. 9 a.m. today, we broke through this hourly zone from this high to this low right there. So I was also on the sells with GU, but I can't lie, I was mostly doing it because I know GU follows EU, etc., etc. Then, cool. I've gone, dropped to the 5-minute chart to look for entry. That's exactly what I've done. Dropped to 5-minute to look for entry. I was like, okay, where am I going to get entry? Where am I going to get entry? Where am I going to get entry? Right. Where was it? Where was it? I think it was, what time is it? 1:30. Cool. It was here. This was the zone right here. This is the 5-minute zone that I saw in GE. Because the markets just kept going down. I was like, bro, how am I going to get in? What zone? What zone? So I picked out this one and I waited. And I set a limit order right here. Set a short position, limit order right here on the zone. I'm making this box grey again because, yeah, slide was in me off. Come on. Calm. So, yeah, set a limit order right here. So, and we've come and news, I promise you. Oh, I didn't even tell you, man. Why didn't I even tell you, man, what happened? I did this, silly me. Yeah, let me just carry on, bro. This video is so all over the place, but I don't care. Let me show you what happened. I waited for another 5-minute zone. I waited for another 5-minute zone on EU underneath it. Cool. And you can see it's right here. We're going to take off this first box. It's right here. Boom. Right there, you can see it. We took this high and then we took this low. So cool. Since we didn't go back to the first one, I waited and I see this one now. So I'm like, okay. This is made less, set my limit here. So it took a lot of thinking where to tell, but I was like, cool, let me set my limit here. And then it took time. I was like, okay, am I going to stay in? Because news is about to come right now. Like, news is about to happen. So I was like, okay, what am I going to do? Where to tear. I now set the limit and I just leave it in free news. I don't know why I did that, but I did. And you see, I caught the nicest of wicks. The nicest of wicks. Like, if you even, bro, I'll send you a screenshot. I'll put a screenshot on the screen right now. The wick was so lovely. And I see we dropping. And then this next candle comes up and I get scared and I come out. Why did I come out? I came out and obviously we dropped a little. We ended up doing around a 1 to 4, which is alright because I was risking around 1.5%. So it was alright. It was really alright. But I set my TP. Where did I set my TP? Bro, I set my TP for like a rack sign just to pass me. Because I don't know why I keep trying to do it all in one trade. But I keep doing it. I need to stop. But I'm not saying thankfully in it, but thankfully it went up. Because if it went down, I would be vexed right now. And then I'm telling you what I did. As soon as I came out of that, that's when I went and hopped in on GU. That's where I came in. I didn't set the limit here. I set the limit on EU. On GU, as soon as I came out, I got like FOMO. I was like, nah, these men are dropping because I was watching the charts. So I entered right here. And then what did I do? I entered another 0.5 position after that. And when I saw it dropping like around here and we made this high, after the candle closed that made this high, I put my stops above this high right here. Put my stops above here. So because I'm like, bro, if this market comes back up, and as we know, once we touch the midpoint, we don't want to see midpoint again. Realistically, if you're in the right direction, once you touch midpoint, you should be going down now. We should be going in the direction. But like, cool, we made this high above midpoint here, but we shouldn't be going up there unless we're hitting stops. So I moved my stops back there, and obviously we've hit them. Hence why we can see, if I go to my MT5 here, hence why we can see on the MT5 that we have these two pins in -26 and -60, which really sums up our day. It really does sum up our day. And then this one here. And that really sums up all the rest of our trades, literally on this account and for this month. Because we're literally consolidating. Oh, wrong thing. This whole month, we've literally been consolidating. If we go on the daily chart, whoa. From the start of August, on EU, look what we've been doing. Sideways. Literal sideways market movement. from like the 8th of August. So from like the second week in from August, we were going sideways. GU from like the 12th of August, bro, not much movement, not much trending. Do you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what happened. Like literally just been from here to here, not much, up and down. Hopefully September we get a more clean and actually start trending a bit in this market. You know what I'm saying? Like say how we're trending up here. Yeah, but that's literally it. You're gonna see more videos from me, and then maybe like I'm trying to do 3-4 times a week. I'm trying to be consistent like that. But yeah, that's it for this one. Have a good trading week next week, lads, and we'll be back soon.